I'm the food pantry coordinator for the Bucks County Housing Group. That means I oversee 3 pantries with, we have 5 staff working. We have a pantry in Penndel, one in Doylestown and one in Wilkinsburg. So the reason for having a choice pantry is one of it's human dignity, because if I went to the grocery store, I would expect to be able to choose what kind of cereal I would like for my family, and I would expect to choose what brand of green beans or baked beans that I'd like to eat, because people have preferences, and when you're living in poverty, sometimes you don't get many choices, so it's important to give people as much choice as they can. It also reduces waste, because if we pack bags, people are going to take home food that they have no intention of eating, but they might be embarrassed to return it because they've been given it. So it's good from many points of view. People will take less food when there's choice as well. So it's just a good thing for pantries to be. It's the best practice for a pantry. I'm hoping that volunteers will like it more because they'll have more interaction with the clients. At our other pantries, our volunteers always want to work in the areas where they're having direct interaction with clients rather than being in the back stocking food. It's seen as a more fun job. Get to chat with people. It's a nice experience for hopefully both the client and the volunteer. I do have concerns because change is always difficult, but I think we've got a great group of volunteers here, great staff, so I'm sure that we're just going to adapt and make it work. But there's obviously going to be teething troubles because we've never done it here before and we have a high volume of clients here. So we're just going to make it work, and it just might be a little bit bumpy on the way.